Hello, I'm Joe Eames, and welcome to Pluralsight's course, AngularJS Directives Fundamentals. This course will teach you how to go from writing your first directive to becoming an expert in Angular directives. By the time you are through with this course, you will be able to amaze your friends and neighbors with your encyclopedic knowledge of transclusion, speak intelligently on the difference between isolated and inherited scopes, and ridicule the pitiful directives written by other developers. Or, at the very least, you will feel really comfortable writing directives and understand not only how, but when and why to write directives. Directives are one of those pieces of AngularJS that is a bit like a rabbit hole. It appears to go down and down, but by watching this course, you will discover that directives really aren't that difficult, and it's quite possible to learn even the corners and recesses of directives in a reasonable amount of time. One of the major goals I had with this course was to do a lot of different demos. So in this course, we will build a lot of different directives. Some directives will be small and simple and built in a few minutes. Some of them will be big and complex and slowly built up over multiple modules. In doing this, you'll get the opportunity to see each concept taught through more than one demonstration. I highly encourage you to follow along and code up everything I code. It won't be difficult to follow along, but it will require effort to learn the things that will be taught. So typing out the code and making it work and trying things that aren't shown will all enhance what you get out of this course. The first 4 modules are a gentle introduction to directives. We'll start in Module 1 by creating our first directive. We'll learn all about bindings, templates, and naming directives. Then, in Module 2, we'll learn about how to react to events, how the different kinds of scope relationships affect our directives, and how to add a controller to our directive. In Module 3, we'll discuss decorator directives, which modify the display or functionality of an existing node. And in Module 4, we'll learn all about transclusion, which lets us fill in our own display to an existing directive. This may seem like an advanced topic, but in this module we will see that transclusion is a lot simpler than many people may think. Then we'll move on to the second part of this course, which covers the more advanced parts of directives. We'll start with structural directives, which are directives that modify the structure of the DOM. Then we'll look at advanced ways to deal with controllers and directives, and how to create nested directives. Finally, we'll look at how directives and services interact, and some directives that are better built as services. This course is meant to be a comprehensive and indeed exhaustive coverage of directives in Angular, but it will also show that directives are easy to learn and easy to build if you just go step by step. Because Angular changes so frequently, and the publishing process for videos can take so long, I have created a course website. This allows me to let you know if the course is currently up to date, and if not, how long it will be until the course is brought up to date, and what to do to work around whatever may have become out of date. The things that we'll do in this course aren't too likely to get out of date, but it still is possible for that to happen, so it's a good idea to go and visit this page right now.